Oh, I love getting blocked by Karens on the internet. Greg?
Yep.
It's National Pizza Day.
I don't know what we're doing for lunch.
If you're looking for good food from a great menu, including the best pizza around on National Pizza Day, along with great drinks from a full-service bar and fun axe throwing to have with friends and family, including kids' lanes, then look no further than our friends at the Axe House Tavern, located in Sevierville and Pigeon Forge. It is an experience you won't forget, and who knows, maybe you'll end up finding a new hobby. Don't bury that hatchet. Put it right on target with the Axe House Tavern.